Welcome to Hebrew Live, your new platform dedicated to learning Hebrew for English speakers. Hebrew Live offers a fully subtitled video course available at any time, allowing you to progress at your own pace. Here's how Hebrew Live works and why it's the ideal method for learning Hebrew. Sign up and start learning immediately. Our method allows you to learn at your own pace through pre-recorded videos. Our courses are fully subtitled in Hebrew and English. Each lesson consists of a downloadable PDF and a video, divided into two parts. The first part is theoretical. Itzik, your teacher, details each grammar point, vocabulary words, and verbs used in the second part of the text.
הזה זה עם ה' הידיעה, אוקיי? יש לנו זה והזה, נכון? יש זה תלמיד, התלמיד, הזה.
The second part is dedicated to practice, with text reading and exercises to complete. The video allows you to review the text reading and exercise corrections.
איפה שלמה לומד עברית? הוא לומד.
Answer a 10-question multiple-choice quiz to verify your knowledge and consolidate your learning. Each lesson is accompanied by a PDF that you can view on screen or print. You can also order the paper manual for optimal review comfort and to have all exercises and course materials at your fingertips. With Hebrew Live, benefit from an innovative and engaging method for all levels. To develop new linguistic skills, order video coaching via our site. This allows you to utilize the learned vocabulary and fluidize your Hebrew through practice. Join us on Hebrew Live today and achieve your goals faster than you imagined.